de espanhol.
Ela acertou todos os idiomas agora.
Yeah, we noticed that. Yeah, apparently we got the restaurant.
When right now us is the hardest. All her life? All her life? Her whole life? The whole life. Oh, that's why she stayed that way. Yeah. Sorry. It never happened. I see small things. She have a picture of it.
Oh, what? Square place?
Yeah. We have centimeters.
Oh, okay.
Yes, very big ones. Oh, no, right? We have crabs. Okay.
No, that's flattering. Well, most good drinks have truth to it.
Was it kind of jerk?
I thought it was a joke.
Wasn't.
Well, serious or not.
So go ahead, take a picture of those if you like. You can go closer.
Nailed it.
Okay guys, so we're going to start. So if you look back there, you can see there's a green or blue light. That was a very cool teamer. 2 years ago, we was going mostly with children, told stories about a slave, about a native, go to stop because the cave has become so hot. Back there it can be 2 to 3 times this temperature. So when you have big groups, don't everyone will feel comfortable in a small and hot place. So that's why we stop. If you look good in the whole cave, you will see a lot of the stalactites. They are broken. Here you can see it closely and better. It's because of vandalism. People used to come inside the cave, broken stuff, or steal them for souvenir. So that's why the government protect all of our cave and only make one as a attraction since 1991. That I know of, we have 28. Of course, could have been more, but till now, I know 28 cave. But this one is the biggest one, so that's why it's very commercialized. Okay? So this room we call it our fantasy chamber with a little bit of fantasy imagination and opinion. You can see different forms. I will show you guys 4 of our beds. One of them is this one. In our opinion, you can see a woman sleeping. So you can see the head, the hair, and then the body. You can see the arms, the breast, the belly, the feet. Head, hair, and then the body. Sometimes people say a mammoth or icicles, curtains, but I prefer the woman there. Another one is this one. You can see a mushroom or a tree, a jellyfish, a broken leaf. I don't know if you see the animation of the blue people like a Smurf, like a house of a Smurf. Another one is right here. You see a mouth of a dragon or a horse, camel, giraffe, crocodile. I don't know if you have seen Shrek, like the donkey. When he's laughing, it's just like that. You need to imagine the alien feeling. And then the last one is by the shadow in the back. So look all the way in the back, like a shade or shadow. I don't know how you call it. You know the 2000, the years 2000, the witches with a pointy big on it and the pointy hat. That is what we see there. A witch, or old school witch, or people see Pinocchio or Yellowfish or their mother-in-law. So there are just a few of them. They have any more questions then. I want to thank you guys very much for coming. Thank you for choosing us. I really need to bring you guys back because you guys need to go to your next attraction. Okay? So we are going back this way. Okay? So we are going back.
But I haven't seen the pigs on the beach. That I'm excited for. So you're staying in the city?
All the way in the back. Yeah, from here to 25 minutes roughly. 25, 30 minutes to the beach. Also, if you need to go, as soon as you are ready,